a do say which pussy want a shot. How you know we have a shop? Them one like an a
You want a shot of do say?
Reaction.
What's ready to Mr. Boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction? Boss! Back in for another video for you guys. People comment on this video to see your comment right there next to that post. If you're posting every single day. Now we have a song from Skelly, song called Team F. Yeah, I've been recommending this song since it dropped like 6 days ago, isn't me? I say music video say no some I got tap in, isn't me? Because see what go on. Team F says another team of Trinidad named Team F. Cause we know so do a Russian song called Team T, I think are from Cayman 6, isn't me? Because see what go on. And then hold on, so now I think say the money Skelly have a song with Cayman and Waka done. So them kinda unite, so it's a different team, a separate team. So that's go on, but what I go on, I don't know how I go on, what's there for the reaction? So me I say, what's what I go on for song better or not, people. If I like, just one for emotion in the comment section. If you don't know how to comment, you don't know a chat, let's get straight to the video. Let's get straight to the video. And we see what I go on, run through. Props, everything for you. We know that already.
yeah. 8 killer 8. Yeah.
8 killer 8. This is my first Skelly reaction by the way. I never react to the song when he came and I think what correct. I missed to the song though. I think one song when Jump Out or something like that. The first Cayman song. But this time I never react to the song.
8 killer 8 bike 8 shots in the head. Boy life take from me this team affair. Yeah.
He died, I mean business, your life gone once this Team F. What Team F in? Team F. I think we hear what's in already now. Fishy or something like that. Team Fishy. I saw me no know I'm Caribbean from wrong. Me no know. I think me hear about it there. Me no know. Go on. I'm saying now.
8 killer 8 bike 8 shots in the head. You get a life take you for this Team F. Check my face if you need me.
If you need me, I just check your face. Facial recognition. I think I say. Ask like that makes a coke.
When at the center, my demon dress.
Alright.
I make up anyway, them says everything get fed from my down get fed.
Hold on. That's I make up anyway, them zest. Anyway, you party, that's why I come make it up. Zest win party, you know what I already know. So anyway, you enjoy yourself, your party, I turn up. At this, so you're dead.
3 in the face and 5 in the chest.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 8 shot that in the dark. Go on!
I check car, I can do it anytime. Split it in the pieces, pon the road, they been fine.
What?
I'm up a carbine, me no fuck with this shit.
Hold on. Him not a chick or a child. Not a chick nor a child, him can do it anytime. If I fuck with it. Hold on.
Just
Kawa.
check car, I can do it
Anytime.
Split it in the pieces, pon the road, they been fine.
On the road, that bread fine. Not a chick or a child. Anytime I can rush my ends and mass up that wicked brawling. Then what?
Pull him up a carbine, me no fuck with this shit.
Who you not fuck with? Who you not fuck with, my general? I want to know. Go on!
I'm here with them bloody Benjamin Dutty. Pile down my pin, cause they say my love broke it. Badness turn up, darker than cake.
Nah, the American jeans them dirty up. The American shirt them dirty up. You see me, I say, hold on, no, not even dirty, bloody, sorry. The American shirt and the jeans, them blood up. The Benjamin Franklin, them dirty money. Me blood clot.
Pile down my pin, cause they say my love broke it.
Fall on the place so easy. Me bomba clot.
Darker than cave, 8 ball men corrupt. Knows a lot of that slave where you walk.
8 ball men corrupt. Cause you don't know, you play pool, you don't know, so the 8 ball. Basically, I think that's the logo for the 8. Me I say, big up Kalanji. Yeah. Me slow on the people, don't chop it. I listen to the music, I don't follow up the thing as usual. Me I say, I just listen to the music and all that vibes. So I don't know I'm steering over here. So, but Jano, song bad. One thing about the song, drop it down in the comment section right now. Run tune!
From sun up, no pussy could have had a damn bun up. On the pavement where your girlfriend hug up. Never.
Class all the dog girlfriend them. So hold on, how far girl dead? Hold on. How far girl hug up the pavement?
No pussy could have had a damn bun up. On the pavement where your
girlfriend hug up.
Never had to catch you anyway, my killer pop up.
Anyway, it never hard. Go on!
Can get fuck up. That's what worse than doom, say them get them head full up. I'm a clip full up, but who say which pussy want a shot?
I think we heard that song that we never react to that song. I think we react to Doomsday 2 because we just all our vibes to work out and in the Japan new. I know him drop it, but them drop it on them page. The new that's also Doomsday 2 to the point. I think it's a little mini EP or something like 8 or around 6 songs. I remember almost on the point. And I think the Doomsday 2 did it. Yeah. So I say this is like this is for than Doomsday. Me heard to that song still. Go on.
This was said and doom, say them get them head full up. I'm a clip full up, but who say which pussy want a shot? How you know we have a shop? Them gone like an
You want a shot of do say? You dancing clip full up and do say which pussy want a shot? We give out free shots for everybody. Come up, come forward. Yes, class.
I'm a clip full up, but who say which pussy want a shot? How you know we have a shop? Them gone like an meat, put the pussy on them.
Hold on. Now we might talk. Who him poop on them up? Who him poop on them up and them fall out? Who him attack? Me at it.
Send to clip, the full bun clock. Radio send to play killing jump on the block. Them man a killer, them a mouth murderer. Man a kill.
Them a killer. Them boy no bad man. Them boy they are mouth murderer and them a go murder with some chatting. Yo. Leave a like on the video right now if you watch a reaction and you don't like the video. Like, come on, you watch it for the enjoy yourself. You don't take nothing for you for just to touch the like button. You see me, I say? And drop a comment. If you don't know what to comment, just some fire emoji. So the video get recommended to more people. So more people can find the reaction boss though. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Right, June!
You never kill nobody. Everybody know about you already. Stop with them kind of foolishness. Fully eat, fully team F. Won't fuck with the link.
Stop with them kind of phone. She said, "Everybody know about you already." Weeks. Who him a talk? More bumble clot. No, who him a talk? Adapt me, I tell her right now.
Knock it on a fucking 7. Don't forget that. 8 killer, 8 bike, 8 shots in there.
Knock it in a 7 dead. Don't forget that. Because I'm going saying that, give me cover and big up film side, big up the 8 side. I see me, I say 8 ball and team F. You don't know which I remember say Unity 1 I think them you don't so I'm not saying about the 6 camp and Ray and Tay and the 9 bars. So I'm not saying about them man because I say them man I want to know what well I don't know what going but apparently them man they now beef. You see me? Only 7 man them are beef with them. From me I see on the net. You see me I say I don't know. But
you will get a life take you for this team F. Check my face if you need me, I just know you're not the same.
Hold on there. Is this address actually tattooed on his face?
This team F. Check my face if you
I'm address right stuff on his face or something right so I tattooed it. Me don't know me I ask. It's a checking face no.
Need me, I just know you're not the center my demon dress.
Alright then.
I'm here with them bloody Benjamin dirty. File down my pen cause they say my love broke. Our badness turn up. Darker than cave, 8 ball men corrupt. Nozzle.
Darker than cave, 8 ball men corrupt. You hear that? Darker than the cave. Me not go in a cave because I'm afraid of darkness. You think of ski masses? Me not dwell in no darkness, a blood clot. This ain't done still.
From sun up.
Let's start on the video. I know down in the comment section. See me I said let's give a bad reaction a while ago. What is my react to phone? I know. Top your boss. Drop a song. Oh, try away. Probably check out that. I don't know. Do me I say. I know down in the comment section. I know what I'm react to next. See me reaction boss. I sign out to the video. Big up on yourself as usual.